Capstone Team 55, Raahi the travel guide. Team members introduction.
Hello, my name is Vinayak Bhargava. I am from ENC1 batch and my capstone team is Team 55.
Hello, I'm Riya from batch ENC1 and capstone team 55.
Hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Bhatia and I belong to batch ENC2. My group number for capstone project is team number 55. Thank you.
I'm Harshvardhan SIngh of ENC branch, capstone batch 55.
Hello, good morning. My name is Aarushi. I am from ENC4 batch and I am a part of capstone team 55.
For a traveler traveling for either business purpose or adventure, deciding what place to visit next for best experience is the greatest challenge. Traveler require good filtering and personalized suggestion according to the set location and ranking of the places with respect to the said location. The technology stack that we have used in this project is as follows. Adobe XD for user interface mockup design of the app. For front-end development, Flutter with VS Code is used, and backend is supported by Firebase. The working app. The first screen that appears is login sign up page. If user is already logged in, then home page will appear. We are using streams and providers to record the authentication change and to decide what stream data is going to be displayed to the user on signing in or logging out. The credentials entered here are recorded using Firebase backend, creating new profile for the new users. These credentials are also validated for corresponding field constraints. The credentials entered as the new user are recorded and maintained using Firebase backend as shown here. After logging in, the first screen that appears is Explore screen. Based on user's profile, the pages are filtered and shown on the Explore screen of the app. Next up is Hotel screen, which gives us top destinations and exclusive hotels according to the respective users, and also preferred activities around the destination. Next is flight page corresponding to the destination and duration. The flights are listed here. Next is user setting page, where user account preferences can be maintained. This also contains the sign out option. Future perspective for this project can include display the currency exchange of the travel destinations, include hotel booking as a feature for every travel destination, display the current weather at the travel destinations and forecast for the next 5 days, suggesting the itinerary within the real-time location of the user. Thank you.